Welcome to last session, that is 56th session in the computerized accounting system. Here we are doing the illustration of journal entry, how the journal entry is passed here. First one, cash brought in by proprietor, that as a capital 30,000. That's an example. Here journal entry is cash account debit to proprietors, capital account credit. Here 30,000 in the is the what the cash is coming in. So what is coming in? Cash is coming in. Who is giving it? Who is the giver will be the credit. Okay, here proprietor's account is credited. Next one is goods purchased on credit from Madan Lal, rupees 5,000. Here purchase account debit to Madan Lal account credit 5,000. Here what comes in? That is purchase. Who is giving it? Madan Lal is giving it. The next one is furniture purchased for cash 10,000. Furniture account debit to cash account. What is coming in? Furniture is coming in. What is going out? Cash is going out. The next one is goods sold on credit to Devraj 1,600. Devraj account debit. He is a receiver of good. That's why it's a debit. To sales account. Sales account is credited. Goods going out. Here goods purchased for cash rupees 4,500. Purchase account debit. Goods is coming here. Cash is going out. Okay. Next one is goods sold for cash rupees 2,100. Cash account debit. Cash is coming in. Goods is going out. So sales account is credited here. Next is rent paid for shop to landlord 3,000. Here rent is going. So amount is going. Rent account debit to what is going? Amount is going. Cash is going. So cash account credit. Next one is commission received in cash 2,000. To cash account. Cash is coming in. To commission account credit. Commission is the item which is going. Next one is cash deposited into account. Bank account. Where it is depositing? Bank. Bank account debit to cash account. Cash is going out and in bank it is getting deposited. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use 2,000. Cash account debit. Cash is coming in. Bank is the giver. From bank it is coming. So bank account credit. Cash is coming. From where it is coming? Bank. Bank is the giver. Cash account debit to bank account. Next is cash withdrawn by proprietor from business for personal use 3,000. So it's a drawing account. He is getting the money for personal use. So it is called a drawing account debit to cash account. Cash is going out from the business. Next, goods given as a charity 1,000. Charity account. It's a expenses. Charity is an expense. Charity account debit to purchase account. Goods is going out. So it is a purchased account. Bad debts written off 500. Bad debts is a loss to the business. So bad debts account debit to debtors accounts. So there is a decrease in debtors. So from the debtors we will be taking out. Bad debts recovered in cash. Cash is coming in. So it's a cash account debit to bad debts recover account. Bad debts is recovered. It's a income. Carriage paid on machinery, that is expenses on purchase of assets 1,000. Machinery account debit to cash account. Machinery is coming in. How? Cash is going out. Depreciation on fixed assets. Depreciation account debit to fixed assets account. Next is carriage paid on behalf of buyer. Here debtors account debit. It's a expenses. This is increase our current assets to cash account. Cash is going on. So goods given as free samples. Free samples is considered as advertising expenses. So that's why advertising account debit to purchase accounts. Goods go out the cost price. So we can call it as a purchase account. Interest allowed on capital. Interest is the expenses of the business. So interest on capital account is debit to capital account. From the capital account it is going. It's a liability to the account. Next is interest charged on drawing, rupees 500. It's a decrease in capital. It's a drawing will be debited. Drawing account debit to interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is an income to the business. Next, bank charges or interest charged by the bank, 200. So here bank charge account debit to bank account credit. Bank charging is a expenditure to the business, and therefore in the bank balance it is decreasing. So bank charge account to bank account credit. Goods lost by fire, 800. Goods lost by fire, it's a loss by fire account to purchase account. There is a decrease in goods or stock, so we can call it as a purchase account. It will be credited in purchase account. Goods insured and a claim is admitted by insurance company in full or in part. Insurance company will be our debtors. So insurance company account debit to loss by fire account. We have lost on the fire account, that will be credited. Loan taken for rupees 1 lakh. Cash is coming on, so cash account debit to lender is the giver, so the to lender's account credited. Next is interest paid on loan, rupees 1000. Interest is an expense of business, so interest on loan account debit to cash account. Cash is going out. Interest on loan due but not paid in cash. Interest is an expenses of business, so interest on loan account is debited to loan or creditor account. Whereas investment purchased for 50,000, investment account debit to cash account. Investment, that is asset, is coming in and cash is going out. Cash stolen from office, rupees 6,000. Cash stolen from office is a loss to the business, that is loss by theft account debit to cash account. What is going? Cash is going. Cash paid to a creditor in full settlement when cash discount is received. Amount due to Madan Lal, 5,000, paid him rupees 4,950 in full settlement. Here decrease in creditors and decrease in cash. Discount is also there. So Madan Lal account debit, that is the whole 5,000 is what the creditor. Here cash account, we are taking the cash but with the discount of 50%. So here Madan Lal account 5,000, cash account is 4,950 to discount received account. Cash received from debtor in full settlement of 4,600, received from him 1,570. That means 30% is what we discount allowed to him. Here cash account debit because he is given 1,570 with the discount of 30. The total Devraj account we are settling it down to 1,600. Goods purchased for 10 lakh from X Limited, amount paid by check. Here purchase account debit to X account, as well as X account debit to bank account, because payment is from the check. Stationery purchased from ABC Limited, 1,000, amount paid in cash. Write the entries and voucher type, both we have to do. In the journal entry, stationery expenses account debit to ABC account, where in the voucher payment of voucher, it's ABC Limited account to cash account, because cash is crediting. Next, cash withdrawn through bank ATM. Cash account, cash is coming in from where it is going, bank. And sales to XYZ Limited, 10,000, amount received by check. XYZ Limited to sales account. Hope you understood. Thank you.